This review is based on a comprehensive gathering of user feedback from across the internet about the vintage Highland cow tin sign, a humorous bathroom wall decor item designed for lovers of Western and Highland cow themes. The sign measures 12 inches by 8 inches and is made of durable metal with a glossy finish, ensuring longevity and resistance to fading, peeling, or rusting. It comes with mounting hardware, making installation straightforward and convenient for any bathroom wall or similar space. The design features a charming Highland cow alongside the playful phrase, "Are you pooping?" which adds a lighthearted and whimsical touch to bathroom decor. This sign is particularly appealing to those who enjoy farmhouse-style accents or Western-themed decorations. Users consistently praise the sign for its perfect size and vibrant colors, which match the advertised images accurately. Many customers report that the product arrived well packaged and flat, with no bends or damage, which speaks to the care taken in shipping and handling. The sturdy construction is frequently mentioned, with buyers expressing confidence in the product's durability. The glossy finish not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes cleaning easy with just a damp cloth or mild cleaning solution, maintaining the sign's fresh appearance over time. The humor element is a standout feature that resonates well with buyers. The phrase, "Are you pooping?" combined with the Highland cow image brings smiles and laughter, making it a fun conversation starter. This aspect is appreciated by a wide range of users, including families with grandchildren, friends, and visitors. Several reviewers mention that the sign adds life and laughter to otherwise plain bathroom walls or stalls, enhancing the atmosphere with a quirky and entertaining vibe. The sign's versatility is another strong point. While primarily intended for bathrooms, users have found it suitable for various settings such as guest bathrooms, home bars, and restrooms. Its farmhouse and Western style blend well with different interior designs, especially for those who are on a path to create a cow-themed or rustic home environment. The product is also noted as a unique and thoughtful gift option for Highland cow enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates humorous home decor. On the downside, while the sign is generally well received, the niche humor and specific theme may not appeal to everyone. Those who do not appreciate quirky or animal-themed decor might find it less suitable. Additionally, since it is a metal sign, it is best suited for indoor use or protected areas to prevent any potential weather-related wear if placed outdoors. Overall, the vintage Highland cow tin sign offers excellent value for its price point. It combines quality materials, ease of installation, and a fun, eye-catching design that has delighted many users. Its ability to bring humor and personality to a bathroom or similar space makes it a standout piece in its category. For anyone looking to add a touch of Western charm and playful humor to their home, this sign is a highly recommended choice. If you own this item, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and for easy access to purchase.